Alrighty, tubers. Well, something followed me home the other day. This is a 1969 Volkswagen Baja Bug. I went down and picked it up not last Friday, but the Friday before. So it's been here for about a week, 2 weeks. Today is Friday. And we're going to see what we can do about getting this thing going. See what we can do about getting it running again. From what I can tell, it's been sitting about, what's that, like 20, 30 years. So she definitely needs help. It's got the, I believe, J.C. Whitney Baja kit on it. As you can see, that guy's unplugged. It's been pulled down. The gas tank actually seems really good. I popped the fuel cap off it the other day. Nope, let's see if I can open the door. There we go. Doors are a lot better than they were when I first got it. But usually what the gas tank's going to look like is what the cap looks like, and that's really clean and really doesn't smell like any gas. It's almost like somebody ran it empty before they sat it. So like a lot of Baja Bugs, this front end has been a little munched. You can see right here, little damage there. That's really common for Baja Bugs. I don't believe those horns are original. I believe those are aftermarket, vintage aftermarket, but I believe they're aftermarket. I do not have an ignition key for it. I do have a door key for it. I had the door key made the other day. I pulled this whole side off. As you can see, it's been sitting a long time. It was kind of used as a parts cart, seems like, for a bit. I believe. So yeah, there's back there. I need to pull this seat forwards and get to the battery back there, see if there is one, and pull all the garbage out of the back. But yeah, I've got a set of tires and rims I'm going to be picking up tomorrow for this. They're actually slightly bigger than what is on here currently. These are 14-inch rims with on the back is the largest 14-inch tire you can buy, which is a 27 by 850 R14. And that is the largest 14-inch tire that I can find online. As far as the front, I am not quite sure of the size. It is from the 70s. I looked at, there it is, the 195/75 R14. I believe the tires I'm getting, the front tires are the same size, 14-inch rim, but the back tires are a 15-inch rim. Same style of rim as these, much better shape. So I'll be excited to grab those and throw those on here, see what they look like. But yeah, this is an ongoing project that's going to be going on here for a little bit. So yeah, we'll start the project today, see how far we can get with the engine. Definitely rough. It does turn over by hand, but other than that, I am unsure of the condition. It has the oil cooler up top, and it has a filter in there instead of just the screen that they usually come with. The generator has been replaced with an actual alternator. It looks like a Motorola, I'm guessing a Motorola alternator, made in USA, which is pretty cool. Sorry about the shaky camera. I'm using my cell phone and it has no anti-shake software or anything like that. It just catches all my shakiness. So when I went and picked the Bug up, there weren't any caps on the side of the engine. These were open and got quite a bit of garbage in there. This is not bolted up, so it does not sit that low. Normally it would sit up probably about here. I really do like the exhaust. I want to keep it if I can. Yeah, I really like the design. I really like that. I don't want a stinger. You know, asking for trouble. You're going to catch as much rain as you possibly can when it's sitting. You know, if you forget about it, oh crap, go to start it up again, and I just don't want to take that risk. I really like that design. I think it'll sound really good as well. As far as garbage in here, pull this one off. And as you can see, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna have to clean all that out. I'll be draining the oil out of this and running a bunch of brake cleaner in there before I try starting it for the first time. Just trying to get all the garbage out that I possibly can. Change the filter, change the oil, try starting it for the first time, and then after it starts and runs, I will probably drain the oil soon thereafter, and then the next oil change I'll probably do after 100 miles, just to try to get as much garbage out of there as I can without having to tear the actual engine down. But I don't know the condition of the engine as it sits. Seems pretty good. I can't move the pulley. It seems pretty tight. Not 100% on that. Of course, like I said, it's been sitting. Can turn it by hand. But yeah, we'll figure that out as we go. But pretty cool sticker there. I'm not sure. I know some of these older hippie stickers, they have meanings and stuff like that, and they're from different things. Anybody can tell me what that is or what it means, or that'd be awesome. But yeah, let's tear into it. I'm gonna see what I can do about taking one of these seats out, probably the passenger seat, and getting the door handle back on here off camera, and then getting in there, tearing all this out and seeing what's back there.